Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2019 Yamaha Wolverine X2. We have installed a ton of accessories on it. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about the accessories, and we're going to answer some of the questions that you guys have about the X2 cab kit. First, a little bit about the kit. You can see that the Yamaha full cab kit's going to come with an automotive style glass windshield. It's not going to scratch like those Lexan or polycarbonate windshields. Also got the windshield wiper with a high, low, and off setting, as well as the washer fluid tank and pump. The side doors have adjustable side windows. You also have the ability to lock the cab kit. If you're out hunting, decide to go for a hike, you can lock your valuables secure inside. Also on the full cab kit, you do have the ability to open and close the rear window. It does lock as well. As you can see, the cab kit fits really nice and tight. Also on the inside of the doors, you've got the handles to shut them and open the doors. This is how you're going to open it, as well as lock the door from the inside. Also on this machine, we've installed the Adventure Pro from Yamaha. It's going to do all the vehicle diagnostic information, as well as all your trips and trails. You can punch in, take me to the local Yamaha dealer, take me to gas, food, anything that you would like. You can also do time trials with your buddies on there. On the inside here, we've also installed the Yamaha floor lighting kit. You can install those lights anywhere inside the cab. Here you can see the washer fluid and the wiper buttons. We've also installed the Ryco Street Legal kit on this machine, as you can see here. Right now we've got the hazards going. It's got the four-way hazard function. What we love about the Ryco kit is it ties into the stock taillight housings, as you see here. The Ryco kit also has the horn button integrated into the end of the lever. To release the four-way hazard function, just simply go up or down with that lever. Also on the Ryco kit, it does have the daytime running lights, as you see there. You can disable those if you'd like. We also have the light bar from Yamaha installed on this machine. Super nice and bright, very durable. Also the Warren 3500 Pro Vantage winch. If you're out there on a nice mucky day and one of your buddies gets stuck, you can help pull him out, because we know Yamahas don't get stuck, right? Also here on the back, we've installed the spare tire mount. It's going to secure your spare tire, still give you tons of room inside the bed. It does use existing mounting locations inside the bed. No additional holes to drill. So what kind of questions have we been getting? And what kind of questions do you guys have? First of all, how dust-proof is the cab? We're going to answer that for you, because we're going to get out and do some riding in it today up in the silty mountain dirt. There is a chance of rain as well. So we're going to be able to check it out and see if it's weatherproof. Does it make the cab a lot noisier inside? We're going to answer that today as well. Mirrors by Assault. What's your feedback on these? You guys that have the full cab kit from Yamaha, I'd love to hear what you've got to say about it. Any positive or negative feedback is welcome. For those of you that would like to get your hands on one of these, check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Look for our review video shot from about 10,000 feet in elevation. It's going to happen right now. We're going to pull the machine out of the showroom floor, take a jaunt, go see what we can experience while we're out there from 5,000 feet to 10,000 feet, from dusty conditions to possibly even some rainy, muddy conditions a little bit later. 435-427-3338. is the store. If you'd like to talk to me personally, My name's Jared, 435-851-3637. Feel free and give me a call or shoot me a text if you have any questions. Once again, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. More videos to come.